Welcome to Shenzhen Tronxy Technology Company Limited. Since 2015, we have been committed to the development of 3D printers. Our 3D printers have stable working performance, are easy to use, and are suitable for individuals or companies. The concept of user-centered runs through our blood. Through our research, design, manufacturing, sales, and marketing, as well as customer service. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Many DIY enthusiasts and designers do not lack imagination and practical skills. They lack a machine that can help them turn their ideas and designs into reality. And Tronxy 3D printers can meet their requirements. In recent years, we have launched large-size FDM 3D printers and clay 3D printers. According to different needs of customers, we also provide professional customization services to meet their needs. Tronxy monthly capacity is between 5,000 and 20,000 sets. We have experienced R&D team, testing and sales team, which can meet the requirements of most OEM and ODM orders. We are a manufacturer and can provide the most direct service. All products will undergo strict quality inspection before shipment. Provide professional pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale services for the number of 3D printer users. Safe production, quality first.